On this episode of Trying Not to Sink, we leave Brown's Marina in Bimini and head into the Bahamas. We find an anchorage off Chub Key, and the girls finally get the chance to catch some sun.
We are leaving North Bimini to go to Chub Key. And there's our friends we met last night. We partied our butts off with them last night.
We had a absolutely wonderful time in Bimini. We stayed at Brown's Marina, which is the first one when you enter into North Bimini. The dock hands were fantastic. I can't say enough about how good they were at helping pull us in during some current. The restaurant, so-so. I'm not giving that a good rating. It was a little overpriced for mediocre food and not the greatest service. But we stayed 2 nights, and we spent yesterday afternoon up at the casino area and another beach. I can't think of the name of it. And we had some fun up there. Kind of partied all day, came back, met a bunch of great guys and girls over on the dock, and hung out late last night, drinking whiskey, playing guitar, having a lot of fun. So now we are off to Chub Key, or thereabouts, somewhere in the Berry Islands. We're going to see if we can find some anchorage tonight before moving on to Nassau the following day. And it looks like we're going to have nice weather.
Yay! And I drank wine last night. Roger out.
Roger out.
These are called Turtle Islands, Turtle Rock. And it is also the spot where the famous shipwreck is, right there where people do a lot of snorkeling. And I hear it's pretty cool. We'll probably check it on our way back up. Coming up on Chub Key. We're going to anchor out right outside of it, or in between actually, sort of. I'll show you that on the map. Like there's rocks down there, so hopefully we stay set and have. This is our sunset at Chub Key.
I am once again cleaning the racors, and there is a bunch of freaking sludge in this. And I know this is the second time I've done this on this trip, and I know, yeah, clean the tank, but I'm not having time to do that. And what I have is a dual racor system where I have one that I'm keeping fresh and sparkling, and every time the main one I use it looks a little bit dirty or a lot dirty like this, I'm taking it and cleaning it. I'm going to change the filters too, but I want to make sure I always have a nice pristine clean racor ready to go when I need it, so that's why I keep cleaning the main one over and over. But yeah, I'm getting a lot of sludge, man.
Let me see.
Well, you can't really see it now. I poured it in here.
Let me see. You can see it.
I mean, the last time I cleaned it was about 600-700 miles ago. So this is several tanks, fuel tanks full. But still, my other tank seems to be perfectly clean because I'm never cleaning the port racors. I mean, they look great all the time. But for some reason, the starboard, and I turn the tanks all the time. I mean, what did we do? Turn the tanks 4 times already since we left. So it's not like it's a batch of fuel.
Well, you can even see the crud up on the side.
Yeah.
Oops. Whoops, you're moving that on yourself. Can I see your napkin? Oops. Hang on. Yeah, it's cruddy. What is it?
I don't know. I guess it's some kind of an algae or something. I don't know. It looks like it's alive. But whatever. This is just, I have a day off today, so I figured let me take care of this.
As we hang out at Chub Key.
Yep.
And me and Chris are about to go into the water and snorkel. And
yeah, I'm going to do maintenance.
You're going to do maintenance, and then we are going
Actually, what I'm going to do is finish doing this, and then I'm going to take the rest of the day off. So.
Yeah, well, we're planning to cook ribs in the convection oven and then brown them on the Jen Air after we snorkel. So, Roger out. How is it?
These masks are awesome.
Yeah, they
make it so easy.
They look weird, but
yeah,
they are awesome.
Really good.
Because they have a
lot of strong current. You need a line. I mean, unless you want to try and swim back, and I don't have flippers, so I'm not going to swim against this current very well. So
we don't have flippers yet.
Oh yeah, that's cool. There's a couple fish down here, not a whole lot.
Yeah.
Not the greatest snorkeling place. We'll find better.
But we're practicing.
Yep.
You had a martini, you need another one?
Yeah, life's hard, man.
There's no one coming to fill your martini glass. You got to do that. Anyway, you want to explain to me about that rock there?
No, I have no idea. It's called like Mama Rhodes Rock, but I don't know why.
Well, let's find out. When the winds were high and I thought we were going to lose our anchor today because it was the first time we were anchoring in sand, all I saw was that behind us, and I thought if we lose grip, we just go smashing into Mama Rock. That would have sucked.
That's Mama Rocks me right there.
Yeah.
Probably not the best song to be listening to on the water.
Yeah. Well, here's what we're doing with our timeout off. We're hanging out here. We're drinking drinks, keto White Russian, and cooking dinner at the same time. And I wish you guys were here with us. That would be totally cool. Don't you think, Ed? The more the merrier?
The more the merrier.
So let's plan it.